Unbox the Donner Professional Digital Piano. This is the DDP 9588 weighted key professional piano. My son is going to test it out, who takes piano lesson. How it looks in the box, we're going to take everything out. That's what comes in the box right now. We have the instruction and stuff on all the side piece. It's very easy and simple to put together, just a couple screw, but look how beautiful. Oh my god, amazing. Let's put this together. 5 minutes I was able to put this together. It's overall a beauty. Really nice wood finish, gorgeous professional piano. I'm telling you, it's incredible. And you have the 3 pedals to help with your piano sound. It's a nice, sturdy, really heavy-duty quality. The back right here, you could plug in a lot more other stuff. MP3 player, wireless, and stuff like that. 49.8 inches across. It's 30.2 inches upward. You can connect your DC and headphones and even your tablet or phone or PC gadgets all in there. So send this amazing, beautiful looking cover to keep it dust free and clean. It's about 4.3 inches in length, large display overall, and we're gonna play the demo. And we have a volume control. I'm gonna put my son to play and test it out, but look, we could control it. It's like a surround system. We're gonna hear that. It's a really good piano, really nice professional overall. Don't forget to check in the description box for more price and details. Alright, so far my son is loving this. It's a really good piano for practicing, professional, really nice quality overall. And you can see he labeled all the keypads. Highly recommend this on Product Zone. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Honest review right here. Holidays coming up, this will make the best perfect Christmas gift that you're teaching and educating your kids overall.